Hi, I'm Erica Vitale, Manager of Infection Prevention and Control, with 5 things that you can do this season to protect yourself from the flu. Number 1, get your flu shot. It's the most important thing you can do to protect yourself against influenza, and it's very readily available at your family physician or many pharmacies in our community. Number 2, encourage others to get the flu shot. The flu shot's available for anyone over the age of 6 months, so if you're a parent or if you're caring for an elderly loved one in your home, by getting the flu shot, you're helping to protect them as well. Number 3, wash your hands. There's a lot of opportunity in our daily lives to pick up germs from different surfaces, like shopping carts or door handles or various items in our homes. So a little soap and warm water and a good 20-second scrub can help you get rid of them. Gel hand sanitizers will also do the trick. Number 4, don't be gross. Cough into your sleeve, not your hands. Throw away your dirty tissues. And again, make sure you're cleaning your hands. Number 5, if you're sick, stay home. And by all means, please stay away from the hospital. We're trying our best to get everyone healthy here, and the flu can be very dangerous for our patients as they recover. We also want our staff to stay healthy and well too, so that they can care for them. So please stay home, get well, and come see us when you're feeling better. Thank you.